guys, welcome back to our channel. Let's go live. Well, those who are listening to me for the first time, hi, I'm AB, and today I will be going to cover the city Amsterdam. So basically, this is a continuation of my previous episode, and right now I'm at the central area of Amsterdam city. So keep watching.
And let's go.
End of our episode, and we have covered the entire city so far. So if you like this video, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell for our upcoming videos. Till then, keep loving, keep living. फिर मिलेंगे दोस्तों. Let's go live.